Alright, in this video we're going to go over how to create an index. And I'm using demo to show you how we mark and make up our indexing. So what we want to do is any place, here's direct examination by attorney. I'm going to highlight by attorney and I'm going to hit Control I. And you'll see examined by attorney 1, and this is direct examination. You can either hit exam or direct and then click on add and then close it. And then we'll go down a little bit further and let's say this is an exhibit. I'm going to hit Control I again and I'm going to go to exhibit and I'm going to give it a number. And an exhibit 4, Commonwealth action for identification. If there's something in here that you don't have and you don't see it and you want it, all you have to do is type it in. And then you click on add. And then close. And so, as you can see with the Control I, when you hit Control I, it gives you a list of things. It gives you a list of different type of exam types. Direct, redirect, voir dire, other. And when you hit other, then you can type it in here, whatever that might be. You can enter the witness name here. The witness for, so we're going to say this is a cross. Witness name is, and then click on the down arrow key. And you can type in if you don't see what you like here. Examined by Mr. Jose. Okay, and then I click on add. And then close. You have different types of things here as well. Requested documents, so if they request a license, you can put that in there. If you have an unanswered question and you want to select it, and you can do that. And then this will say add, and so you'll just click on add. Same for your exhibits. Miscellaneous, which I don't know what that would be, but you could have that as well. So now we're going to look at the setup of your index. We're going to select index page, because that's what we're going to generate. Make sure you got it set for use new index. And here's edit index settings. So now let's say we want all of our witnesses to be up here. You can have them by groupings, so all of my examinations of the plaintiff will be all grouped together. I can have them ungrouped in 3 columns or in 5 columns. I can have it alphabetical, or in chronological by group. So if I'm doing the plaintiff, then it will be chronologically listed by the plaintiff and then the defendant. Or you can just say ungroup, and I want it chronologically as these occurred in the document. That's where how I want them to come up. And so here is our different listings. You can do certified Q. Here's miscellaneous, and you just select them. So I'm going to do exhibit 3. I'm going to say I also want an alpha group, and I want an ungrouped of column, 3 column ungrouped, and a column of ungrouped, chrono ungrouped. And here we'll take certified Q and miscellaneous. So that's all great and wonderful. We're going to uncheck show line numbers if you want line numbers. If you don't, make sure you have it unchecked. And here's our spacing. We're going to insert blank lines between the index title, the category titles, and the different headings that we're going to be using. So make sure you check the ones. You might have to fiddle with it a little bit to see what exactly or how exactly you like the way it looks, and then click on OK. Now we're going to go to grouping order. So if I'm using, let's see, I used one for prosecution, and I want that one to always be at the top. And then I want it to be respondent. I can move these up and down as I see fit. Witness column order. I want it to be exam, re-exam. So as we go 3 columns, we're going to do exam, re-exam, and cross. If you want 5, then it'll be recross, direct, and redirect. And you can change these around as you see fit. Here's our exhibit column order. And you can see here, you can move those up, get rid of that empty space. And as I go along to the column, if it's a 3 column, then it'll be for identification, prosecution, in evidence. If I do 5, then it'll be withdrawn, rejected, and stuff like that. So again, as you see fit, you may have to fiddle with it just a little bit in order for it to work out for you. All right, we're going to click on OK. And now we're going to generate. I'm going to cancel it for now and move it back up to the top. Actually, I'm going to move it to the bottom so we can see it. Control I, generate, index page, and generate. And so here is what an index that I make looks like. I'm going to show you another one here that was done by a professional. So here are our different index. This is a 3-columned index. And you can see it went on for quite a while. And there are no line numbers here. If you don't like them, you can uncheck a particular feature in the setup area. And that is word indexing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.